you see it? Oh, where's my, where's my,
What are you riding?
my bicycle? It's my,
That's your bicycle?
it's my bicycle.
Yeah, that's your bicycle. What does your bicycle look like?
It's a giraffe.
It's a giraffe.
See it? It's a giraffe.
You want to see the giraffe? Okay, look. What do you see?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Okay, go ride it.
You see it?
You already saw it. Can you ride it?
Wait. I need to park my bicycle.
You need to park it? Okay, park it. Did you find a parking spot?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I see the giraffe.
You want to see the giraffe now?
Right there.
Do you see it?
Right there.
Okay, go ride it. Okay, show me how you ride it.
Wait a minute.
Show me how you ride it. What are you doing?
I'm going forward.
Now you're going forward. Yeah.
See the ski?
Can you go backward?
I go see the giraffe.
What do you see?
Giraffe.
Yes. Show me how you ride it. Show me how you ride it. I see you riding it.
I need a park.
Oh, okay.
I like parking spot.
You need a parking spot? Okay, Urban Baby. You need a parking spot.
Uh-oh, I got it. We're riding it.
Yeah.
I need a park.
What is that?
I can go see it.
Oh, okay. Did you park it?
Yeah.
You want to see?
Giraffe.
That's your giraffe. What did you do with the giraffe?
I like it.
You ride it. You rode it.
One roll was that way and that was way and that way. And I do it that way.
Yeah?
Thank you. Bye. See you later.
Bye. See you later.
That's my bicycle.
That's your bicycle.
I passed my bicycle.
Yeah. Okay. That's the end of the movie. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.